What's up, everybody? It's another day. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on sanding down the. I'm gonna have to fix my fenders because they're rolled and it's rusting. So I'm gonna sand it down, paint it again, just put some touch-up paint because I rolled and pulled them. So I'll see what I could do to fix it. But after that, after I fix that, I'll be going to mess with the wiring so I can get the wiring working. So once I'm done with the fenders and wiring, I'll then finish unwrapping the wrap from the car and then start wrapping the car, I guess. Can y'all see me or not? Man, it's so dark, bro. There he goes. Alright, so right now what I'm doing is my brother's here helping me sanding down the quarter panels while I'm working on I went ahead and removed the beam. Get out of here. I went ahead and removed the beam because these things were so rusty, so I'm just using this right here to go ahead and clean up the rust just so I could prevent it from getting worse. I got kind of spooked because I thought it was bad. I might replace the nuts honestly because they're pretty bad, but that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning that up just so I'll have the beam back on and start working on the wiring. I already figured out what the wire, each wire does one, these Magnums. I couldn't find out what the blue one does, so if anyone knows, let me know. But here's what I got. The white purple is running lights. Yeah, there you go. That. I just can't find out what that blue wire does. I don't know what this blue wire does. I'm still. Backup sensors probably. I don't know. It doesn't. It's because there's nothing on there that's blue. There's a blue wire here, but there's nothing. And the reason I was trying to find out what wire does was just so I could have all these resistors right here, and I'm gonna be using one of these aftermarket universal connectors just to connect them in case I ever need to remove the things and just disconnect if I have to right away. I'm just cleaning it just so I could paint over it. That was a horrible deal. It's all crooked.
Don't laugh like that. Oh my gosh.
There. Happy?
Yeah.
Bro, you can't get mad at the.
Don't laugh like that. I'm like, oh my gosh.
I'm gonna do it on purpose now just to get you mad. Everyone has a weird laugh, man.
Yeah.
Mine is like that. Mine is like ha ha ha.
Still.
This is making fun of my laugh.
Cause he goes, he laughs. That's how you laugh. Okay, now you're changing it.
Exactly.
Hurry up. See? That's what I mean.
Alright, so I guess that's it right there. It's soldered, so
Check out my car, fam.
Okay, dang.
I wish.
Dude, I do need. Look at that. I need a haircut, bro.
You look ugly like always, man. Relax.
Go like that.
Why?
Go like that. Go up like that.
Why?
Go. Do it.
Do I have a booger?
No, go. Go.
No, because I know you're gonna do some dumb stuff.
It's getting windy. I'm just gonna stop real quick just so I can record whatever I do. But this is what I did for the other side of the plug. So these are just gonna go T-tapped to the actual main harness, and I'll show you how it looks like or what goes where. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what I did on in my case. Sorry again about the wind. It may look confusing, but it's really not. Let's do this. So one resistor, so let's say this resistor is going to be for the left turn signal, yellow, and it taps into the left turn signal wire. The other one's for the right turn signal, red, and it taps into the right turn signal, which is white with the green, dark green stripe. Then now I do the reverse for the reverse camera. This is my case, but if you just want to do turn signal and resistors, here it's easier doing it here. That's all you'd have to do for the resistors. And if I were you, I'd just get the pigtail, 2 pigtail one. On this case, since I have the whole reverse camera too, I got the reverse camera, so I got the 4-pin. So the blue is the reverse, and it attaches to the white with the light green stripe. And then the ground is just grounded there. I'd rather ground it here instead of having to put another T-tap here and make it more cluttered. And that's it, basically. So whenever I need to disconnect or remove a resistor for any reason, I just unplug it here and there. And then these wires, the reverse one, ground wire on this side, follow through here to the actual reverse camera, right there. And that's it for this little area. Now I'm gonna repeat the process with the same plug. Damn wind. Repeat the same process, but for the bumper lights, for the tail lights, for me to put the underglow. But that's just in my case because of the underglow. Just so I don't have all this right here. This module for the underglow, for the XK glow turns to for where it functions as a turn signal in the reverse. I'm gonna mount this to the frame and have these plug and play to the actual harness in case if I ever remove the bumper again, I just disconnect it and I don't have to worry about cutting wires again or doing all this weird stuff. It will let my tail light be more cleaner looking instead of all this rat's nest. Oh, alrighty, I am going to show you what I did. There's the color coordination. The yellow on this pigtail deal I use for the turn signal wire. Blue is for the reverse. Red is for that constant or AK running lights. And then black is ground. So same goes with the other side. Now these tails, this is just only to put on those XK glow, these little modules. So instead of making a mess, I recommend just leaving the taillight OEM as is and just do the wiring on the deal. So for the XK glow, these modules, this thing, it's gonna need red, ground, reverse, and yellow is the turn signal. So that's why I kept it the same. Yellow is gonna be the turn signal. Dang, it's so dark. That's my plan for that for now, and then we'll see how it turns out. That's it right there. Boom. Let's have one of these. You want to show how it looked like with the finished product? That's how it looks like. Yeah, it looks kind of weak, not the best. But if I really wanted to, I could solder them to whatever. But I'm just gonna do that for now, just to see if it works and how long it lasts. And same with this. Eventually, I think I might solder it together, but I don't know. Just a matter of time. And then here's this. So this will plug into the bumper on the taillight. Same with this side. So now just gonna be one plug. That's it. To the taillight is just the plug right there. Same with here, and then the actual plugs for the underglow. This goes through the vent and inside the module, which is in the passenger side kick panel, and then this side goes through here. It's the same over there. Here's the beam. Looking at it from this, how it would mount. It would mount like that. So here's the right side, left side. So the cable has to come from the middle. And it reaches up to that thing right there. The left side, same with the rear or right side. It'll plug to the taillight housing or that thing. It'll plug to that there, that one. Plug to the left side right here, and that one. And same with the right side on the other side. So that's how the underglow goes. It routes through here from inside to outside, and from here it goes to the beam, to the center, and it goes like that. And then from here, I have this cable, the underglow. I put this sleeve on there to protect it a little, which I'm glad I did. And it goes, when the bumper's on, you just plug this into wherever this beam reaches, you just plug it in there. And then routes it through here to this thing, and from here, it goes underneath to the control arm, underneath through the side, and to the wheel, So it goes from the cable from the side of the car, it goes to the cable, up through there. I could do better, but oh well. And through here, it's a mess, and through the front. This video is gonna be for those that wanted to were asking questions about the Underglow. What kit I used was the XK Glow kit and the turn signal module. That's where I mounted it, and then resistor wise, if you wanted to detailize, you put it there. But other than that, these should just tap into your taillights, but I'd rather do them in the bumper just because it's way easier. Instead of having to disconnect a whole bunch of cables from the actual taillight and have a bunch of wires on the taillight, it's better just to have it on the bumper. So that's that. That's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.